Hi, there are so many questions or so many DMs are coming to me about the Kubernetes concepts. Okay, one person is telling like, I'm so confused, Venkat. Like there are so many videos are coming when I type for the Kubernetes, and the people are telling in the different. Yes, they are good in the discussion and they're explaining me very well, but I'm not able to understand or correlate what is actually I'm planning to do here and what is actually I'm trying to get on from it. Okay, so for that I'm just giving a one suggestion to that person. Maybe if it helps for you also, you can use it. So whenever, if you don't know anything, okay, if you don't know zero, every nothing, you don't know anything, so keep your mind empty. Okay, and don't take any input from anyone, just keep your mind empty and try to grab the information to your mind. So empty mind will take anything. And even if you don't have any questions or anything coming to a point that yes, last 2 days I'm in a confusion, yes, this is my third day, I'm okay to understand what is at least a basic concepts on Kubernetes. Okay, so everything, don't jump into a ocean, try to gain everything, try to learn everything. That is not at all possible. Okay, even for anyone, I mean everyone, I'm telling, even it is not possible for me or you, it's not be possible. So slowly you have to start, plan your day accordingly, plan your work accordingly, practice well, and read the documentation and be a part of community groups. And slowly when you gather the team here, and if you discuss the issues and if you discuss the concept slowly, yes, at one point of time you will understand and you will be an expert on this Kubernetes. Okay, and by seeing the people different things and all, don't confuse it. Okay, make to understand the you, like you people, like people who are trying to onboard on the Kubernetes, who want to learn Kubernetes. So it will be a little time to digest those things and all, but slowly when you have a plan, when you study it, when you do some POCs on this, it's very easy and very simple. Okay, don't confuse yourself. That's what my only suggestion. Be open and open to ask even a dumb question also, you can ask it, and you can get clarification on that one. Okay, so if you have any questions on that one, please comment. Okay, I'm very happy to help you. I have my LinkedIn profile also, you can see my profile and contact me on it. Okay, thank you so much, thanks for watching, keep supporting.